Hello students, welcome to the class. Let us continue our lesson number 3, Maratha Sardars, the famous house of the Bhosles. Part 3, the Bhosles of Verul. Children, before we proceed further, let us have a quick recap what we have studied in the last period. The Bhosles of Verul, do you remember children what we have learnt about them? Babaji Raje, he had two sons, Maloji Raje and Vittoji Raje. Maloji was the elder one and Vittoji was the younger one. You all remember? Okay, these two brothers were very brave and they caught the attention of Malik Ambar. Malik Ambar was working under Nizam Shah and Nizam Shah was looking for such people only who can fight against the Mughals. And do you remember children? On suggestion of Malik Ambar, the Nizam Shah, he granted on Maloji Raje the Jahagir of Pune and Supe Parganas. Do you all remember this? Well, I hope so. So let us proceed further. Students, when Maloji Raje was given the Jahagir of Pune and Supe, then the Bhosles, they became very rich and powerful. Maloji Raje's wife was Umabai. So what was her name? Her name was Umabai and she came from the house of the Nimbalkars of Paltan. Maloji Raje and Umabai, they had two sons. They were named as Shahaji and Sharifji. Maloji Raje was killed in a battle at Indapur. At that time, Shahaji Raje was only 5 years old. Then Vittoji Raje looked after the children and the Jahagir. Later, he asked in marriage for Shahaji, the daughter of Lakhoji Rao Zadav. Lakhoji Rao accepted Vittoji Raje's proposal. He was a brave and valiant Sardar, that means courageous Sardar, in the court of Nizam Shah. He kept a large army of his own. He commanded great respect and honor at the court of Nizam Shah. Jijabai, the daughter of Lakhoji Rao Zadav, was well favored by the gods. That means she was blessed by the god. Lakhoji Rao Zadav celebrated the wedding of Shahaji Raje and Jijabai with great pomp. Jijabai became the fortune, that is the luck, of the Bhosle family. Now students, let us learn something about Shahaji Raje. After the death of Maloji Raje, Nizam Shah transferred whatever Jahagir Maloji was having, he have transferred that particular Jahagir to Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje was a brave and capable man and he held a great respect at the court of Nizam Shah. The Mughal emperor decided to conquer the kingdom of Nizam Shah. Conquer means take control. For this, he made an alliance. Alliance means association with the Adil Shah of Bijapur. Malik Ambar and Shahaji Raje fought bravely to save Nizam Shahi. They defeated both the armies. This battle took place at Bhatwadi near Ahmednagar. In this battle, Sharifji was killed. Shahaji Raje displayed great valor. He was praised everywhere as a brave general. His reputation in the court was so enhanced. Enhanced means increased, that even Malik Ambar began to feel jealous of him. This gradually led to antagonism between them. Antagonism means opposition. As a result, Shahaji Raje left Nizam Shahi and joined the court of Adil Shah at Bijapur. Adil Shah honored him with the title of Sar Lashkar, that means Chief of Army. Later, there were many developments in Nizam Shahi. the Wazir of Nizam Shah, that is Malik Ambar, he died. His scheming son, that is cunning son, Fateh Khan, became the Wazir of Nizam Shahi. During Fateh Khan's period, the Nizam Shahi began to decline. Decline means fall down. At about the same time, there was a great threat of Mughal aggression. That means there was a threat from the Mughal attacking the kingdom of Nizam Shah. So Nizam Shah's mother appealed to Shahaji Raje. Appeal means request to return to Nizam Shahi and save it. Therefore, Shahaji Raje left Adil Shahi and returned to Nizam Shahi. In this way, student, here we end up with our lesson number 3. Hope you all have understood. Thank you.